glass that I got from my sister. We went to Panama this past weekend, and I got her this cute little shot glass, and we're going to put some DTF stickers on. So y'all, if you go out of town or something like that, always bring like family members back stuff from those places. I love that tradition. We all do it. Be anything too expensive, just come back. Anyway, this is the sticker that we're gonna put on there, shot o'clock. And the sticker is actually bigger, but that works because now I get to show y'all what to do in a situation like this. So you're just going to cut around this portion. I'm gonna put that on one side, and it's for my sister. If I mess it up, it's for my sister. It's a gift. She gonna like it. But I'm gonna cut out the shot o'clock part and then basically separate the clock. So the clock will be on, the clock will be like right here, and then the shot o'clock smack dab in the middle. So it'll still be cute. Still works. Still works. But take a look at that. Shot o'clock, shot o'clock. I'm just gonna, y'all see, take my time. Got it. Okay. And then I'm going to take this. And y'all, I am praying for a new house for me and my family. That's what we are working on right now. A bigger house. I want a whole crafting room. Like right now, I feel like I have a crafting corner. I want a whole room, you know, the whole nine. And it's coming. It's coming. God is going to really come through. So I'm just being patient and sticking into grind mode. Let me tell y'all though, I was on here and I came across this girl, and y'all might have seen it. I had never seen it before, but she said that 3 days ago, she decided that she wants to become a treat maker, and she had no experience in da-da-da. So she bought the stuff. She put, you know, anybody wants some treats made. She got some orders, and she began her treat making journey. And it was people in the comments like, why would you take orders and you didn't know what you was doing? And she was basically like, look, you gotta have some faith, you know, put yourself out there. And I completely agree with that. I feel like you have to go for it. Sometimes we'll sit with an idea too long, then somebody else get it, and then now you don't want to do it anymore because somebody else is doing it or something like that. If it comes across your mind to make something, to do something, to go somewhere, stop sleeping on yourself and stop procrastinating. You got to get it now, you know? So, and then she just kept doing it and kept doing it. She's literally showing, I got to get her name and I'm probably tag it in this video, because she is really showing you, like, you make mistakes. Okay, correct that. Keep going. People asked for refunds when they found out, you know, that she was in the learning process. She still kept going. Like, so I just really think that is a good example of having that unwavering faith. If your dreams aren't scary, if they don't make you a little nervous, if it doesn't stir up emotion inside, they're not big enough. So back to this. I got my sticker and I got my shot glass, and we're gonna make this Panama City shot o'clock glass. And she'll be in Florida in 2 weeks. So hopefully she bring me back something cute too. So this is it right here. And I'm just kind of line it up. I don't want to mess this up by trying to talk to y'all and do it. So I want to really get a good look in at it. That is going to be fine. Okay, so now you want to kind of find an edge to get the sticker separated. And so, let's see. You guys see? It's like peeling off just like a real sticker. See? Just like that. Separate. And then we're going to make sure we get this right. So let me concentrate. Okay. Here with it. And make sure I leave room for that clock. And you want to take your time. Okay. Look, I'm leaving my hole. We want to take our time with it. We're going to just stick it right on there. One piece at a time. Only thing I'm a little nervous about now is, did I leave room? Oh, this is going up. I need to go back down. Okay, y'all. So as you can tell from the sweat on my forehead, at this moment, I realized that I had messed up. I was placing it down, and I started noticing it going crooked. And then I noticed that I did not leave room for the clock. But I still posted this because I want to encourage somebody that makes mistakes. That does not mean to give up. That means you learn from the mistake. So keep watching. Peel off the back. Let me check on my baby. Be right back. Okay. Baby's good. And I'm still working on it because you really want to go, kind of slow. Like, you don't want to snatch. Ain't that what Home Creation said? And it's going to peel like butter. Peel like butter. So we're going to take our time with. For people that be doing stuff with glasses and things like that and they don't have no gloves on, I wash my hands. But at the end of the day, I'll wash it again before I give it to her. And this for my sister. Don't come for me. But this does, you do not want to be snatching. I see why she said that. Shout out to Humble Creations. Please go check out their business page. That is my friend, and I just love her work, and she helps me out so much. Well, I can't wait to finish the rest of my orders. This for my sister, but I also have some tumblers to do. I have some party favor cups. I have some t-shirts to make. I have some orders, y'all. So we're gonna try to get those done so that I can study. I am not only am I a crafter, but I'm also in pharmacy tech and esthetician. So I'm a busy girl. I'm gonna get it though. I'm gonna get it. It's gonna all work out. So I probably speed this up at this point. But y'all just know, do not just rip this thing off like that. You take your time. Y'all remember when you doing the transfers with vinyl and stuff? Basically same thing. And you know what? When I used to do these with vinyl, I would wipe it down with some alcohol, and I didn't do that. So, but we're gonna get it right. Oh, I'm running out of time. Part 2. Hey, baby. I ran out of time on this one, but coming for part 2. See you at the next video.